Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing kind of like a quick life update, a quick where have I been. For the last few months of last year, I was doing like daily uploads, as you could see. I believe from October, November, December, something like that. I was doing daily uploads. Or September, October, November, something like that, whatever it was. And then in January, I started again, and I think I did 3 videos, maybe 4. Well, we're back. And the update that I have for you guys is that I moved. Yay. So my husband and I, we've been married for, oh gosh, 8 years. This year would have been 8 years, I think, something like that. And January of this year, I decided to leave the marriage. So I'm now officially separated. I don't know if it's going to be a shock for anybody. I don't know if it's going to be congrats to me from anybody. But for me, I'm in a much happier headspace. When I left in January, the end of January, like literally the first week of February, is when I officially moved out. I feel like I think not September, February 4th was the actual day where everything was moved over. That was the Sunday, the first Sunday in February. And since then, February, March, those 2 months, I was just figuring out how to relax, how to decompress. Like, I didn't feel like I needed to be in fight or flight mode. I didn't feel like I needed to be defensive. I didn't feel like I needed to be hustling. I wasn't in the mood to be creative. I didn't want to do any videos. I wasn't even going to do this video. But one of my girlfriends, Farrah Charles, you've seen her on this channel before, she's like, all right, Lori, so what's the next step? I'm like, right now I'm just enjoying my life. This is my first time ever in over a decade where I've been single, where I haven't had to consult or report or be mindful or, you know, worry about what my partner's going to think or what he's going to say or how he feels or anything like that. It's just me living and enjoying my kids, me and them just enjoying each other, cooking again. I actually enjoy cooking. At one point, it was like, it felt tedious. It felt like a task. Now I actually enjoy going to the store, taking my time, picking up my little groceries, cooking my little dinners. I look forward to actually coming home and just being home and relaxing. You feel me? I have a cute little balcony. I can go out there. I plant my little plants. Well, I didn't plant them. I had them from before. So just have my little plants out there. I smoke my little ganja, you know. So far, I've had, I think, 2 people over. And we had a little girls' night, a little charcuterie board action going on. So that was cute. That was fun. I have been going out at nights more. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that. Or even on Twitter, you would have seen that. And I'm just enjoying myself. I'm just enjoying my life without a man. I don't know how else to explain that. Like, I'm just living life right now and enjoying every moment of life. Literally this morning, I could feel myself starting to tense back up, and I was like, all right, Lori, just breathe, relax, calm down. Like, it's okay. You are okay. Because at the end of the day, at the end of the day, the day got to end, right? Right. So enjoy every moment of every day. That's what I'm trying to do, and that's the message I want to spread to you guys. Try to enjoy every moment of every day. Another update, I made a new website. I still have TheFourFiveFour.com, and that's where you can get the merch. This is one of my old merch shirts but I have other stuff on that website, and now I have kissyface.com, KSSYFVCE.com, and that's more like a more detail of everything. So when you went on my Instagram, if you went on my social medias, I would have a link tree, and the link tree would link you to my books, to my Apple Music, to my Things to Get Me, to my whatever other links I had. So now this website has everything encompassed on there, and then from that website, yeah, so when you Google Kissy Face or Kissy Face 454, the website should pop up, but it is kissyface.com. I am working on my fourth book. I was gonna say third, but this is my fourth book that I'm working on. It's called The Relationship Bible. This one, I was supposed to drop it February 14th for Valentine's Day, but again, with the move and just being, just enjoying me, it's been pushed back. I don't have a date for it, but I finally feel like creating again. I finally feel like setting up the camera. It actually needs to charge, but I actually felt like doing something, right? Because even the website took me forever and a day to do. That should have taken me a weekend. It took me a whole month to do, right? But everything within its time. So the website is up. The book is being written. I'm not rushing the book writing process. I'm taking my time because I want to make sure that this book is as detailed as possible. The Relationship Bible, we're going through the 3 phases: the talking, the dating, and the exclusive phase, just like I did here on YouTube, but just a little bit more detailed. If you do want to see those videos, they are here on this channel. I will try to link them in the description bar so you don't have to search through everything for them. So that's that. What else can I update you on in my life? Am I dating? No. I am not dating. Well, so if I get invited to go out somewhere, it's just me going out somewhere. It's not necessarily a date, right? Because I'm not looking to be in a relationship with anybody. I'm not looking to have sex with anybody. I'm not trying to have sex. I'm not trying to be in a relationship. I'm really just trying to enjoy Lori, right? I'm trying to figure out who I am without a person, because I've always had a person. I've always been in a relationship. The longest I've ever gone without being in a relationship is 1 year, and even then I still had somebody who I was seeing or I was kind of exclusive with, right? Like we weren't outright boyfriend and girlfriend, and this one I was much younger, and sounds crazy, right? We weren't technically boyfriend and girlfriend, but we were very intimate with each other. But if I did choose to go and date someone else, he was like, all right, go, because I don't owe you anything and you don't owe me anything, right? It was that type of thing. And that's around the time when I met my husband, right? So I'm not trying to go through that right now, but if I am asked to go out, like, hey, you want to go catch a movie? Hey, you want to go grab dinner? Hey, you want to go get a drink? Hey, you want to da-da-da? Sure, I'm down. If I have the time, sure. But dating to be in a relationship, dating to be exclusive, dating for longevity, dating for marriage, that's not what I'm doing. So let's say let's say I am dating. I'm dating for fun. I'm just enjoying life, basically. And I know my husband is going to watch this and be so upset, so upset, but it is what it is at this point, right? Anyways, what else can I update you on? Not looking for a relationship, writing a book on relationships. We're going to try to upload, maybe not daily, but frequently, uploading enough. There's not going to be like a set schedule. There probably should be a set schedule, but I'm not putting that on paper right now. Today is what, Wednesday? I'll see if I can upload this today. I'll see if I can film something tomorrow, because I believe I'm going out tomorrow. And yeah, so my friend from high school, he's a part of this group. And they throw parties like every Thursday called Par Thursdays. And this other YouTube creator, Trabas, if you're part of the Jamaica YouTube sphere, you know who Trabas is. He's hosting that event tomorrow. So I believe I'm going to go to that, and you know, I'll try to film something. We'll see how that goes. Maybe I'll do like a get ready with me, or I'll try to film the party. I don't know. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. But that's a that for now. That depends on the schedule. Par Thursdays. What else? Saturday I do have a girls' night to go to at my girlfriend's house. Sharima, she is Shikrima on Instagram. I love her to pieces. She's the girlfriend, or one of the girlfriends, who came over to my girls' night a couple weeks ago. So she's cool peoples. I'll see if I can film, if she's okay with me filming while there, because she does create content as well. So that would be cool. So I have an idea for tomorrow. I have an idea for Saturday. So it's just going to be that type of vibe going forward. I might reintroduce Naked Sundays again. Let me know, guys. Let me know if you guys want that, and you know, we'll see. But again, when I did have a schedule, it felt so like I was so uneasy. Like I felt, you know, like tight. It wasn't enjoyable. So we're going to see how that plays out, how that works. Okay. What else? I think that's it really for the life update. I moved, I'm separated, I'm not dating for a relationship. I don't want a relationship right now. I'm working on the book. I'm working on filming. I'm just enjoying life. I'm literally just enjoying life. Follow me on Instagram for all the updates, for all the pictures, all the videos, all of that. Because even my Instagram, like I changed I changed it. How my Instagram used to be, where I would like post reels or post the content, and then Instagram been acting up all day. So it's acting very annoying right now. So I can't even really show you what's going on. Okay, here we go. Why is it black?
I don't know.
No. See, and that was Travis a while ago. Why does it look like this? I don't have my Instagram on dark mode. Okay, there we go. So my Instagram now looks like this. So that's Farah. This is the event that we went to. I don't remember which night that was. Went to that party, and then I just did this grid of me because my other friend, my Virgo sister, Marley, this is how her Instagram is, where just one big grid of her, and she looks phenomenal, and then everything is in her stories. I'm like, I get more interaction from my story post than my feed post. I'm like, let me do that and just post like one bad bitch picture. But this is how my Instagram used to be, where I post reels and like, you know, clips from here on YouTube. So I decided to just change it up a little bit. And that's that. So yeah, that's another update for you. I changed my Instagram feed, my Instagram layouts. But yeah, I don't think I have anything else to update you guys on. That was the biggest thing that I moved. Moving took forever because the elevators are not working, and I'm on the third floor. Where was I going with that? I'm on the third floor. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. Just enjoy your life. Do the things that you want to do. Don't let anybody stop you from doing the things that you want to do. Once you're not harming yourself or others, what's the problem? Yeah. I saw a post that said, if you're unhappy somewhere, just move because you're on a tree. And you know what? Facts. If you're unhappy somewhere, just move because you are not a tree. Okay? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, see you tomorrow. Peace and kissy face. Bye. Or maybe Friday. I don't know. Bye.